Hi, this is Rob. This is Sonic the Hedgehog touchscreen kids watch. It comes in this box. Take it out of the box. The watch comes in this presentation package. Sonic the Hedgehog is a Japanese video game series and media franchise created by Sega. Sonic is a blue hedgehog with human traits. Sonic has the ability to run faster than the speed of sound, hence his name, Sonic. This watch is splash-proof, but not waterproof. Do not swim, bathe, or shower while wearing the watch. What do you get in this package? You get the watch itself, a USB charging cable, a user's guide, and a warranty card. The first thing you should do is charge the battery. The parts of the watch. Take off this plastic film from the face of the watch. Here's a closer look at the watch band. The other side of the watch. Remove this red sticker from the back of the watch. It says charge for 30 to 60 minutes before first use. After removing the red sticker, this is what it says on the back of the watch. The watch, together with the watch band, measures 9 inches. This will not fit the wrist of an adult. This watch is made for children, but not for children under 3 years old, because that could be a choking hazard for children under 3 years old. This is a camera lens. You can take both photos and videos. This is the power menu button, USB cover and the USB port. This is a microphone. You can record your voice with this watch. On the other side of the watch is a speaker, and you can adjust the volume of this speaker in the menu. On the back of the watch, you can remove these 4 screws with a Phillips jewelry screwdriver and insert a MicroSD card to give you more storage for your photos and videos. I'll turn on the watch by pressing and holding the power button. Touch and hold the face of the watch to change the watch faces. There are 10 different watch faces to choose from. To save battery life, press the power button once to turn off the watch face. Swipe the watch face from right to left to go into the menu. On this page of the menu, you have games, a camera, a video camera, and a pedometer. Tap on games to enter the game menu. You have 6 games: Number Grid, Fighter Pilot, Memory Game, Car Chaos, Stone Warp, and Snake in the Grass. I'll go back in the menu by swiping from left to right. Touch the camera icon to enter camera mode. On the left is the shutter button to snap a photo. On the right is the icon to view your photos. I'll swipe from left to right to exit the camera mode. Tap on the video camera icon to enter video mode. On the left is the start and stop recording button. On the right is the icon to view your videos. On the lower right, you have a pedometer. Swipe to the next page of the menu. You have an album viewer, time tools, voice recorder, and calculator. In the album viewer, you can view your photos and videos or delete them. I currently don't have any photos or videos. In time tools, you can set an alarm. There's a stopwatch and a timer. I'll go back in the menu. In voice recorder, you can record your voice using the microphone on the watch. With the calculator, you can divide, multiply, subtract, and add. I'll go back to the menu. Swipe the screen again to go to the next menu page. This is the settings button. Tap on it to go into settings. Here's where you set the date. This is where you set the current time. This is storage. If you have a MicroSD card inserted into the back of the watch, this is where you can save your photos, videos, and voice recordings to that MicroSD card. This is reset. Tap set to reset the watch to its factory settings. Brightness. This is where you adjust the screen brightness. Volume. Adjust the volume of the watch speaker. Wallpaper. You have a choice of 3 wallpapers. Image 1, Image 2, and Image 3. This is Image 1. This is Image 2. And this is Image 3. Press OK if you want this image as your wallpaper. It says Done. The wallpaper is set. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this watch.